In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download app from Base44, 2025, step by step. Here's the key idea right up front. With Base44, your app isn't something you download and install like a traditional desktop program. It's a live web app, hosted online, and always up to date. That means you access it through a web browser, and if you want a native-like experience on your phone, you can add it to your home screen as a progressive web app. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that smoothly. First, make sure your app is published on the Base44 platform. Publishing is what makes your project accessible on the web and generates its unique address. When your app is set to live, Base44 provides a URL, usually in a format like your appname.base44.com. If you're not seeing a live link, double-check your project's publish settings and confirm that it's available to the audience you intend, whether that's public or restricted. Next, open a web browser. Any modern browser works well. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. For the best performance, use the latest version and a stable internet connection. If you ever run into a page not loading correctly, a quick refresh or trying another browser can help. This step is simple, but it's essential for a smooth experience. Now go to your app's unique URL. Type the address carefully into the address bar or paste it if you have it copied. Once the page loads, you'll see your app's interface, exactly as designed in Base44. Consider bookmarking the link so you can return to it quickly, and make sure you're using the HTTPS version of the URL for a secure connection. If your app requires sign-in, use the credentials your project provides. If you're on a phone and want an app-like shortcut, you can install it as a progressive web app. On iOS using Safari, tap the share icon, then choose Add to Home Screen. You can give it a recognizable name, tap Add, and the icon will appear on your home screen. On Android using Chrome, tap the three-dot menu and select Install App or Add to Home Screen, then confirm. After that, launching from the icon will open your app in a clean, full-screen view, and it will update automatically whenever you publish changes in Base44. That's it. You accessed the live web app, opened it in a browser, visited the unique URL, and optionally installed it to your home screen. You get the convenience of an app experience without any extra downloads, and your users always see the latest version.